Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this 2D in AutoCAD software. This is the basic of 2D, two-dimensional view. In next video, you will see how to create a 3D of this object. So please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and press the bell icon for watching the next video. So at first I am going here and click on this plus sign to create a new drawing. Before going to start, I am selecting the units. That's the units. I am selecting the engineering. So inch. Then go to here, standard. Going here, modify. Feet and diameter will be show. So I'm selecting the engineering. The inch and text will be 3.5 inch and the symbol arrow will be also 3.5 inch. Then okay, close. Then I'm taking the circle CI or then create a circle which will be 11. The radius will be 11 inch. Right button is click and taking the repeat circle again. Click another circle which will be the 14 inch. Before going here, okay, they are watching the first one is the 1.2 inch. The first one is the 11 inch. The second one is the 1 feet 2 inch, meaning is that 12 inch plus 2 inch, total 40 inch. And the third one is the 1 feet 5.5. It will be the 17 point. 12 feet. 1 feet is equal to 12 inch. So 12 plus 5, it will be 17 inch and 17.5 inch, the third one. And this one is within your selected. So I'm going here and select this portion. Okay, 1 feet 10.5 inch. Total is 22.5 inch. And here we will imaginary circle is also draw for taking this one, which can be 20 inch, the radius. So right button is click again and taking the circle and sketch it, which will be 17.5 inch, enter. And again right button is click circle and which will be 20.5 inch, and again another one is 26 inch, and taking the circle again and click on this point, it will be 6 inch radius. Right button click circle is again and another circle which will be 2.5 inch radius. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the fillet, click here and taking the radius, and this radius will be 7 inch, and this radius will be created this circle and this circle. Again right button again select the fillet and click on this circle, another click on this circle. Okay, done. Then create select this one, this one, this one and this one. Then going to select the arrow, click here, polar arrow is selected and select the center, and it will be created 6 circle. So I'm taking it only 4 items. Okay, done. Then I'm deleting it, and when we select here, all portion are selected. So that's why we can go to the file, sorry, not file. We can go to the insert, view, sorry, home. We can go to the home and select the explode. when it will be explored, then it will be separated. Then create the trim. Right button is click here, click and trim it. Similarly trim again, trim it. This one. Okay, you are watching it. Already done this object, then we can go in here and select the radius. Okay, then I'm creating the dimension. Before going here, I'm taking the layer layer layer, and new layer is created for dimension dimension dimension, and taking the color is this one. Okay, done. Then going here and select the radius, the first circle here, deleting is, I'm creating the, selecting the color, then going here, and this portion will be 11, selecting this one. Second circle is 1 feet 2 inch, 14 inch, and similarly the third one is 17.5 inch, and this one is 22.5 inch. This one is radius 6 inch, and this circle radius is 2.5 inch. So I think every dimension is given. If you want to see the next video, which will be the solid object of this stories, 3D will be draw in next video. That's why if you want to see that one, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you everybody for watching this video.